Hey guys, I'm doing a little contest. I call it the most annoying noise contest. I'll show you one of 3 choices and pick one of the most annoying noises of all time. Well, I couldn't pick the ones of all time because it's probably would do the TV role for YouTube and such. Now click on one of these 3 links to go to the noise. Pick your noise, and whichever gets the most comments wins. And I'll mention you all, or whoever commented on that noise wins. And remember, this has to be a truly truthful noise. If you want to be mentioned, just have to pick the one you hate the most, or the ones you find most hilarious, or something you go, oh, wonderful, I'll give you $1,000,000. Let's start immediately. Click this link if you want to see clip number 1, this if you want to see clip number 2, and this if you want to see clip number 3. I'll see you in about a month.